I've got some really exciting news. steve.ai is now steve.ai 2.0, and you should see what these guys have done. You'll be absolutely blown away, just like I was. So let's go check it out. Hey guys, do excuse my voice at the moment. I do have a bit of a cold going on, and we'll see how we go. Okay, now all we need to do is have a look at some of the awesome tools that steve.ai now has. Because let's go down and have a quick look at what we can do. First of all, you can do text to gen AI videos. And that is where you can actually type in a prompt and it will then create a video, and it'll bring up all these different images that you can use to add to your video. It'll be all AI generated. So this is really exciting. This is one of the new things that they've done. It's also got here animated AI talking heads, which is where an animated video or character like one of these guys who's sitting in front of the camera, and the best part about it is that it will literally speak and you'll be able to see the lips move in the same way it would be if a normal person was actually speaking, which is really a good way of doing it. And then you can scroll down and have a quick look at some of the other features. Now, also too, I will have a link for this in the description down below, but while we're still on the topic of the link, let's go and have a show you where it's going to take you. First thing it's going to do is it's going to take you to a place called Product Hunt. Don't freak out about that. It is the correct link. Now, what you need to do is you can upvote if you have already got a membership here and you can sign in, or you can just hit visit and that will take you straight to steve.ai. But remembering that using this link here will give you a 20% discount for the yearly plans. Now let's go and have a look inside steve.ai. Now, when you first come into steve.ai, you're going to go, oh, where's the Gen AI one? Well, that's okay. All you have to do is click on that and immediately that opens that one up. Don't ask me why it does that, but it does. And you can choose to either use this one to create that particular video, or you've got your regular text to animation video. You've also got your text to video. You got your voice to video. And here's a really good one. Text to talking head video, which I love. Then you got blog to video, blog to animation, page URL to video, page URL to animation, as well as tweet to video and PLR to video, which are yet to come, which is still coming. Okay, but I'm going to have a look at this particular one here, talking head video. So let's click on that. Give you a quick little demonstration. And in just a minute, I'll also take you over and you can have a look at the pricing. So let's go and have a look at the pricing while that's opening up. Now remembering, this will give you a 20% discount using that link. So currently it's $45, but remembering there will be 20% off that as well. And if you do yearly, it'll be $540 a year. And remembering that is the yearly plan as well. And you got this one here, which is $60 or $180 a year for this one. $15 a month, $45 a month, or $60 a month, which is amazing. Okay, so let's go back over to steve.ai and have a look at what it's doing. Okay, so here is where it'll actually write the script for you. So I'm just going to put in a quick prompt here. Okay, so what I wrote here was, write a video script about how to edit PLR ebooks using ChatGPT's AI. We're going to be putting this under training and education. And as you can see, I've already done 4 scripts here. So let's just click on this and see how it goes. But before we do, just to let you know, it can do up to 25 scenes. Sometimes it'll do a little bit less, and oftentimes it'll be done up to the actual 25. So let's have a look and see what it does this time. Hey guys, if you're getting some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Okay, this is looking alright. PLR ebooks are pre-written books that can be, hang on, I'm going to say ebooks. Edit that. I made a slight mistake there. Pre-written ebooks that you can edit and publish as your own. Okay, I'm not going to sit there and bore you with my reading. So what we need to do here is put down here education and training, and we're going to go over here. I do want to edit it because I want to choose a particular person. So I'm going to be choosing a male voice, and I don't want Matthew, I want to do Martin. Now, excuse the blurriness of all this. I must say, it's not cool that it does that, but what it basically says, it's 95% human sounding. So we can now hit generate this one, and now we're going to go over here and hit next. Now what that's going to do is it's going to take us to an area where we can choose the person or the style in which we want. We're going to be doing this one as a training video, so we can click on this one here, and then it's going to allow us to choose the person that we want to be able to do explaining. So I think I might just use this gentleman just here. He'll do. And then what it's going to do is it's going to actually create the video for you. And we're just going to pause the video until it has finished. And then you can have a quick listen and see what it's like. They really have improved it quite a bit. Okay, so I'm going to put some headphones on and we're going to have a listen to what this is like. And watch the lips.
PLR ebooks are pre-written ebooks that you can edit and publish as your own. ChatGPT's AI can help you edit PLR ebooks more effectively and efficiently. Start by importing the PLR ebook into a text editor or word processor.
Yeah, what I'll do is I'll actually pause that and I'll turn the music off altogether so it's not so blaring on our ears. Turn that down and we'll listen to that again. Might sound a bit better without the music in it.
PLR ebooks are pre-written ebooks that you can edit and publish as your own. ChatGPT's AI can help you edit PLR ebooks more effectively and efficiently. Start by importing the PLR ebook into a text editor or word processor.
Okay, so it does appear it's a little bit out of sync, but I think that's because the AI right now is just still trying to work it out. But irrespective, we could now, if we wanted to, you go through and you have a look at all the way through it, watch it from beginning to end, and I'll see how many did it give me. I'll just go here, and it gave me 25. It gave me 25 scenes. That's great. So it gave me 25 scenes, and you can use all of that. If you wish to, you could probably add a scene or two if you wanted to. Going down here, you can probably add a scene, but by doing that, you'll also change it, because remembering it does have a preset option here. So my suggestion would be don't add an extra scene. What you do is just do this twice and then butt them together if you want a longer video. Okay guys, that is just some of the new features in Steve AI 2.0. We'll go into more details in other videos in the near future. Once again, the link for this will be in the description box down below, and you will be able to get a 20% discount. Alright guys. Hey, if you guys got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, also to let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. Right here is an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.